What's up, YouTubers? This is Leslie Jean-Baptiste, your favorite affiliate marketer. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want you to go ahead and actually smash that like and subscribe button, because every single day I'm going to be bringing you guys some amazing content on how to grow your business, make more money online, whether it be through affiliate marketing or side hustle, growing your business online, whether it be an online business or an offline business, brick and mortar, and everything in between. So without further ado, we're going to get right into it as you guys hit that like and subscribe button. Today, I'm going to be bringing you guys something super awesome. I came across this thing, and I think you guys are going to absolutely love it. The name of the platform is called Respondent, and it's app.respondent.io as the website. There's going to be a link in the description for you guys to sign up right away. I'll tell you in short, what it is a website that signs up companies to look for people like you to provide feedback and answers for questions they have about their products or services. So in other words, companies like Aramark, companies like Bridgestone, Firestone, Allstate, and all these other large companies, as well as everything in between, law firms, different things like that, are looking for answers to better service their customers, and they will pay you to give them those answers, which is fantastic. I absolutely love the idea, and I've heard of this before, but on a small scale where companies are paying peanuts. I've never come across a platform that's paying up to $400 per survey, and to me, that was a no-brainer. So without further ado, let's take a look at what this thing is and how you can get started right away. So let's take a look at it right here. As you can see, I went ahead and signed up. I signed up today. I went ahead and answered 3 surveys, and I'm waiting via email to see if I've been chosen. I'll go ahead and update you guys in the future. I will say that this is a referral program as well, so you can earn 2 ways. You can earn by A, doing the surveys, and B, referring people, which is super, super cool. So let's take a look at it here. I went ahead and signed up. Little personal information about me, little business, my company name, the fact that I'm an owner of my company, and it provides me a URL link. This is all information that you will be providing them as you create your profile. They'll also ask you to verify socially. So you'll be able to verify via Facebook, LinkedIn, and Foursquare, some other things as well. My recommendation is that you go ahead and connect to a social account, because then you will be viewed as credible and you will get higher paying gigs or opportunities. As you can see, these are some projects that they are recommending for me here on the left. $20 for 25 minutes, $20 for 25 minutes, $150 for 90 minutes. Now, some of these do require you to have certain qualifications, but most do not. And to browse projects, you just come over here to press Browse Projects, and then it's going to take you to an area where you can actually filter the types of projects you're looking for, whether it be in person or whatever. You have that opportunity to you. So let me go ahead and close this down. So some of these surveys do require you to go in and do a one-on-one interview with someone in your local community or a company that is hired as the receiver of the information, and that generally you'll know once you go ahead and sign up for the project. Now, here's some projects. You can use this toggle here to change exactly what the price range of the gigs you want. As you can see, they go up as high as $400, $350 for this one. Okay, here's an example: seeking administrators and decision makers at mid-sized companies in New York for a paid online interview. Here's another one, and here's another one. Now, again, they do range. I recommend doing the ones between $100 and $300, as those seem to be the ones that accept generally anyone. So if we were to do that, we would see that they're seeking education administrators, IT. These are just for IT decision makers. And again, these are catered to me, as this is within my niche of work. So they will ask you what you do for your work, what your interests are, and then they will give you surveys pertaining to your niche, which is super, super awesome. I recommend you guys definitely take a look at this. In the link below, there's going to be in the description below, there's going to be a link where you can go ahead and use my referral link to sign up for this. If you do, there is an affiliate commissions that gets paid out to me, $20 if you start up, and $50 here. I'll go ahead and show you here, and this is allowed for you as well. So you'll be able to earn this as well. Looks like browse projects, share projects, referral links, earn $50 per successful referral. Share your personal referral link to earn $20 as soon as one individual you refer participates in a study. So there is some earning potential just by telling people about this. So tell everyone you know about it and get them signed up to your referral link right away. So I want to thank you guys for taking the time out to watch my video. This platform is amazing, guys. I mean, it's legit. I know people that are using it, and they have shown me proof. And in the next couple days, I'm going to actually be updating you with what has been happening, with the fact that whether or not I've been approved for these surveys and so on and so forth. So go ahead and hit that link in the description below. Get signed up. It is a no-brainer. What do you got to lose but just to make a couple dollars instead of playing on Facebook or playing on games on your phone? Go ahead and answer some questions for some surveys and make some extra money. Till then, I'll see you guys on the other side. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, because the next time I'm dropping something super hot for you guys. I'll talk to you guys later. You have an awesome day. Peace.